Welcome to today's Agent 360. Today's customers expect fast, seamless support across all channels. Agent 360 makes it easy by bringing email, chat, phone, and social media into one unified omni-channel platform. Packed with powerful features, it helps your team respond quicker, collaborate better, and provide personalized service every time. No more juggling systems, just streamlined workflows and happier customers. To start this demo, we'll begin with the agent. When an agent signs in, they're greeted with a clean, intuitive dashboard designed to help them perform at their best. At a quick glance, they can see key metrics like times, such as average handle times for calls and chats, and active and inactive times. There's the daily chat lens, which is a snapshot of chats handled for the day. The daily contact summary, which is an insight into past interactions. Queue stats to help them understand demand and manage workloads. There's recent contacts, weekly contact summary, and agent occupancy, which shows how much time the agent is actively engaged, ensuring they're productive and efficient. These metrics don't just track performance. They help set the standard for success. With this real-time data, agents are empowered to perform at their peak, while managers can easily monitor and track individual and team performance. Now, let's try to make a call to Agent 360. I'll first start by making myself available, and I will make a call. So when the call comes in and the agent accepts it, Agent 360 instantly pulls up the customer's profile, if it's present in the database, showing their information, history, and past interactions. And during the call, the agent has call management options when needed, such as placing the call on hold or transferring the call to a different queue or agent. And if the agent requires more assistance, they can also make an outbound call to a colleague or a supervisor, or by typing in the number and this number pad here at the bottom. When an agent makes two different calls, they also have more call options such as merging the calls or swapping between calls. There's also more call management options where they can select wrap-up codes and tags to categorize the interaction. And if needed, they can also have access to Amazon Q for more information. This makes the call more efficient and ensures the agent has everything they need to provide great service. And after the call ends, the agent will still have access to wrap-ups and tags if needed in the after call work section. So I'll go ahead and end that. I'll make myself available again. And next, we'll look at chats and how agents can handle them across different channels. With Agent 360, agents can manage chats from different platforms like WhatsApp, SMS, or Facebook, all in one place. Let's see how that works. So I'll start by making a chat through WhatsApp. And at the same time, I will go ahead and initiate a chat through SMS. So this is the chat that comes in through WhatsApp. And this is the chat that came in through SMS from a phone number. And as you can see, it pulls up the client's history. Same thing with WhatsApp. And then I'll go ahead and make a chat through Facebook. There you go. As you can see, I can handle different chats at the same time and swap between them when needed. So it's a lot easier to handle them between different chats at the same time. So I'll go ahead and close two chats, and I will keep one chat open for later. So next we can look at tasks in email. let's start off with the tasks. The agents can assign tasks to different queues or agents to be completed, such as callbacks or reminders. So you can create the task and submit it through here after we fill in the information when needed. Agents can also receive emails and respond to them to take care of customers. So as an example, I'll go ahead and send an email right here. And even with the chat open, I'll go ahead and respond to this email. So I'll go ahead and reply. And I will send the reply. There you go. Now that email was taken care of, and the chat is also still open. So all these conversations are neatly organized in one interface, so the agent can respond to multiple customers simultaneously without having to jump between platforms, ensuring no customer is left behind. Next, let's look at the supervisor's view. I've got a supervisor pulled up here. As you can see, it's very similar to the agent's view, but has a few more features. Supervisors have full control over interactions and can silently monitor calls or chats, ensuring everything is on track. So I can monitor this track. And I'm a supervisor. I can monitor silently without the agent knowing. And if needed, the supervisor can barge in and help out the customer and the agent when needed. They also have more features, such as making agents available or closing out different contacts if the agent forgot to close them out. They can also change agent status from offline to available, or change them back to offline if the agent forgot to sign off. Supervisors also have an evaluation dashboard where they can access and review detailed insights into past interactions, including call recordings, such as this one right here. They can see the detailed interactions, the sentiment analysis, the quality metrics, and they have an access to the recording to identify areas for improvement and assess agent performance. With these tools, supervisors can provide proactive support while ensuring teams maintain top performance standards. Lastly, let's talk about admin features. So admins are very powerful. Admins have full control over the entire contact center. They can easily add or remove agents and supervisors, edit roles, and manage teams. This flexibility allows them to quickly scale or adjust operations based on business needs. Admins also have access to powerful tools like generating detailed reports on performance and team activity, and they can also view live data with a wallboard that generates a one-time link, giving them real-time insights into a specific queue or all the queues at once. With these capabilities, admins can easily manage the contact center, ensure everything runs smoothly, and support their agents with the right resources. So let's explore some of those powerful features. This is the admin dashboard, and on the left, we can see all the features that they have. So they can add wrap-up codes and tags. They can add customer attributes as well. They can easily manage super users and other agents as needed. So they can assign security profiles to them and add more agents or supervisors as needed, depending on business needs. They also have management over the queue, as well as the routing profiles. They can create and assign different teams and assign roles to those teams. They can generate task templates, and these templates are going to be used by agents, as you saw previously. They also have access to these reports, which these reports can be either for the queue or the agent and provide detailed information, such as the login report for an agent So this is like the test agent that we used earlier. We can see the detailed login report for them. Or they can also view the agent performance. So depending on which agent they can select, they can view their entire performance. Lastly, admins have access to the wallboard, which the wallboard can generate a one-time link that is a dynamic slideshow showcasing key metrics for specific queues or all the queues all at once, which is perfect for live monitoring and making data-driven decisions. So I'll change the time for this demo to be a 10-second per slide, and I'll generate that link. Once the link is generated, I'll go ahead and copy it and paste it into a new tab. And they'll access that link. This is the wallboard, which shows the stats for the agent queue that I was in earlier. And I can also download it or reload it as needed, or share, or go into full screen mode. These are metrics overviews. We can see the customer sentiment analysis and more metrics for performance for different agents. And that's Agent 360. From agents handling multiple channels seamlessly, to supervisors providing real-time support, to admins managing the entire system with full control, Agent 360 optimizes every aspect of your contact center. It empowers your team to deliver faster, more personalized service while providing the tools and insights needed for continuous improvement. With Agent 360, you're not just meeting customer expectations, you're exceeding them. It's the all-in-one solution that makes your customer experience. It's the all-in-one solution that takes your customer experience to the next level.